Cracks appear in Russia's facade of strength. There are interesting developments on the right bank of the Dnipro right now, and this is an actual account of events on the ground. There was a Russian conscript unit holding position in front of Oleshki Sands. This unit refused to fight, so the Russian command moved them back and replaced them with special forces. Just imagine, they moved a special forces unit right into the front lines to be used as cannot fodder. That unit has, of course, now been destroyed by Ukrainian artillery. That soft unit is irreplaceable to Russia today. And note that the Russian command were forced to move it forward because the conscripts were refusing to fight. I'm seeing cracks appear in Russia's facade of strength. This is the time for the West to redouble weapons deliveries. It's time to forge forward and break the back of the bear. What the hell? 110th Brigade finds a very confused Russian serviceman, Avdiivka direction. Is he under influence of drugs? What do you think? Russian servicemen pass a burning Bukhanka, presumably burned by a Ukrainian FPV drone, somewhere in the Klishivka area.
Макс, проходи быстрее. По левой стороне вроде нормально. Давай, быстрее. Понятно, есть кто, нет? Да я вчера не увидел ничего.
Russian opposition businessman Yevgeny Chichvarkin believes that Putin will not announce a new wave of mobilization because there will be many people willing to go to war in Ukraine for the money currently offered to contract soldiers. According to him, in Moscow, those who are recruited for the war in Ukraine are paid $7,000 at once. If necessary, they will raise it to $10,000, Chichvarkin said. Russian military personnel receive a monthly salary of 200,000 rubles, $2,258, in the war zone. This is almost 3 times more than the average salary in the Russian Federation. According to statements of the Russian authorities, more than 40,000 people sign contracts for participation in the war in Ukraine every month. According to Ukrainian intelligence, about 20,000.
Я думаю, что не будет никакой мобилизации. Они в Москве платят $7 тысяч, если ты подписываешь контракт с Минобороны. Это не шутка юмора ни в какой стране. Это деньги, на которые ты что-то можешь в своей жизни, бедной жизни, сдвинуть. Вот, поэтому, так как они решились уже на такие деньги, в какой-то момент поставят 9.
10, 15.
15 даже не нужно. За 10 приедет вся бедная часть юго-восточной Сибири, Южного Урала, приедет северная часть, приедет Петрозаводск, Ленобласть, Новгород, Псков и Великие Луки приедут. Потому что это большие деньги, Нет, не все, кто без совести, да. Приедут те, кто без совести и у кого выбор, как, цитирую, сторчаться от соли или детям оставить хотя бы двухкомнатную квартиру.
While striving to help civilians during the massive Russian attack on Kiev, rescuers came under enemy attack themselves. Many of them didn't think they would be able to return home. But thanks to the air defense forces, we withstood. There are 9-meter waves around Crimea right now. It is said to be the strongest storm in the Black Sea in the last 100 years. This makes me wonder what's going to happen to Russian coastal fortifications. The storm over the Black Sea will severely disrupt the ordinary life. The Odessa region is completely covered in snow and wind. Operations relating to the war will certainly have an impact too, especially in the east of Ukraine, where the wind is pushing a lot of humid air from the Black Sea, and Azov Sea will cause a lot of snow and rain in the coming days. A storm washed away trenches in occupied Crimea that Russian army dug out on the beaches. According to information from Crimean media, in Yevpatoria, the water washed away the defense line on the coast, engineering buildings, and firing positions. The speed of wind at the coasts of occupied Crimea reaches 115 to 130 kilometers per hour. The waves are 8 to 9 meters tall. In Crimean mountains, the wind is up to 150 kilometers per hour.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.